that I used polyurethane to spray on my glass backsplash to keep the water out, right? Because we don't want the water on the paint from the kitchen and the grease and blah, blah, blah. Well, if it keeps water out of things and there's polyurethane-based products in your hair care, yeah, they might feel great and do lots of slick, but what do you think is going to happen to your hair follicle?
It's going to get clogged.
It's going to get clogged. It's also going to start to get very dry because it's keeping the moisture out. Right?
Ew.
Does that make sense? So polyurethane, guys, when you see the polyurethane-based products in your hair care, it can affect washing your hair, right? Because you're really not washing your hair. The polyurethane has sealed that strand, so you're just going to wash on whatever's on top of the polyurethane. So then what do? You're like, oh, okay, well, I washed my hair. It's clean now. I can put conditioner on it. And then you start to wonder, why isn't this oil helping? Why isn't my hair shinier? You may be using a very good product, but your hair, if it's coated in polyurethane, silicones, things like that, that hair washing isn't going to do any good. It's not going to prime it properly for you to put those conditioning products on your hair to